Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. This Martin DCPA5 came with a lifted bridge. I don't know if you know this model. It's made out of high pressure laminate. In our parts we call it formica. And it has an interesting construction. The body is made out of this laminate plastic. The bridge, I believe, is called micarta. Again, an engineered material. And the braces inside has a traditional X brace. And I was surprised to find that somewhere here there is a bar of aluminium. It seems to be stuck with some sort of resin. The problem with this guitar is that, apart from the bridge lift, we have a very, very bent top, and I need to solve that. We have cracks in between the bridge pin holes. You can see there's a crack going inside one of the bridge pins. So you can notice the thickness as well of this high pressure laminate is very, very, very thin. I estimate 1.5 millimeters, something like that. 1/16, I believe, if you use imperial. And the bridge plate is pretty short. It extends only a little bit behind the bridge. So I would like to try to straighten this top without any heat, because I don't know about the glues, the composite, and how that would react to the heat. So, a long while ago, I bought this device. I left it there. Focus. Yep. It's called a Bridge Doctor. I don't know if they are still in business, and I would like to make this device like this, and it helps with the cantilever of the bridge by exerting pressure to the tail block. So you say, problem solved, just like this picture, but obviously the other way around. Yep. Welcome back, and I've prepared a hole for the Bridge Doctor. That's where the screw will come in, and this is a simple drawing to explain what I did. The screw in this case will be under the bridge, so it doesn't show, and because there's a lot of holes for the amplification system at the end block, I prepared the stay with two shims at the top and at the bottom. When the shim comes in contact here, it will push the stem to go down. My idea is to avoid the jack plug that's going to be there, and this stay will force itself down, just like so. It's pointing downwards. Hey there, welcome back. I'm happy to report that the bridge area is much straighter now, and there's only a little bit of a hump here that I'm sure is going to be sorted when I clamp the bridge down to glue it. Obviously now I will prepare the two surfaces. I'll flatten that area a little bit as well and roughen up the glue surfaces, both sides, make it nice and clean, and proceed to glue. This is a fast glue up, so I need to be very quick. And just before we close this thing off, I recessed the screw on the top here, and because the original design of the bridge doctor asks for a hole in the bridge. Once I had the bridge off, I could install it without it even showing. So that's, for me, is even nicer and less intrusive. That's it. So welcome back. A quick view of the insides before we close everything up. Here in full view you have the bridge block and the bridge doctor. Notice the rod coming from the bridge block to the bridge doctor. That's the cantilever action adjusted by the screw, and the Allen screw that's here. And here you can see also the aluminium, magnesium, zinc alloy, whatever it is, brace that's holding the top. Spaghetti for now with the wires. We're going to clean that up a little bit in a little bit. See you later. I'm back again with this Martin DCPA5. I am happy to report it held really well. I adjusted inside the bridge doctor, cleaned up the edges, lowered the action because it was awful, terrible. A nice clean up the fretboard, and it's ready to go.